Hey there everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do some grip tape art, and we're going to do some Black Lives Matter grip tape stencil art today. So first you need a cutting board, a razor, whatever you're going to use, cardboard, paper. I like to use this type of like clear plastic. It's really hard, it's like a laminate sheet, it's really good. And then what you want to do is find the stencil. Here you go, so you can actually see that it actually brought up through it, so it actually works pretty good. You just got to be careful because if you touch this, it will actually smudge it out. So like I said, the next step is to get a cutting board and some sort of razor, and then you got to put this over top and then carefully cut out all the things that you traced. So there you go, cut the stencil out. Now all you have to do is find a board and get some spray paint and spray paint it on. So let's get her done. Alright, so I think it turned out pretty good. You can use the stencil and spray it anywhere. As you can see, you can just go crazy with it. And the reason why I use laminate is so you can actually do the stencil, reuse it, wash it, and you can just reuse it over and over again. And obviously the more layers you do, the more colors, the more detail, the more time you take on it, the better it's going to look. Mouse Grip actually uses spray paint stencils like this, but I think he uses cardboard, to be honest. Here's some previous art that I did. This is a stencil spray paint, Jack the Pumpkin King. This was actually my own personal Chad Sinclair dolphin flip because I was notorious for doing dolphin flips everywhere. Bart Simpson Eat My Shorts, stencil spray paint. Then if you do multiple layers, like I said, you can do Mickey Mouse, multiple layers. There's the Hatchet Man, whoop whoop to all my Juggalo clowns out there. And this is, I actually take really good pride in this one. See, multiple layers. Each color is a layer. There's white, black, red, blue, and green. So this one's 5 layers. But the more layers you do, the more detail you can do, like, you know, shadowing and stuff. And it really pops compared to just you know, a single one like this. But even single looks good, so it just all depends on what you're kind of wanting to go after. So hopefully this helped you out. If it did, please like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Got the skills. Got the skills. Heaven is a half pipe.